Hello, this should be a short video today, hopefully. I only want to kind of introduce the activity for us today as opposed to actually like outright teaching you. So we're going to change things up a little bit like I was trying to indicate there. So what we've been doing, right, is adding and subtracting rational expressions. And we saw that adding and subtracting rational expressions, rational expressions were things could be written of the form p of x over q of x, right? We saw that adding and subtracting was very similar to adding and subtracting fractions. In a similar sense, multiplying irrational expressions is also very similar to multiplying fractions. But rather than me just tell you or show you, I want you guys to kind of explore it for yourself. And so the video here is just going to give you like a brief kind of like introduction to this exploration, and then your homework assignment will be the exploration itself. So the video will be super short, leaving you all the rest of your time, for the day to just work on the exploration. The exploration should not take you, all the time, but I just want to give you most of the time to focus on that. So anyway, let's take a look at this here. So again, this PDF here that I'm showing to you right now will be in your assignment for the day, so you can see it there too. Okay, there's two different ways you can I foresee you guys maybe trying to like answer these questions. One is to print and then fill in your answers and then scan or take a picture and then submit, just like you would your homework assignment, right? The other option, of course, is to work on your own paper. So writing out the answers to these questions, then scan that and then submit that. Okay, so it's really your choice. If you want to print it out and just fill it in like that, that's great. If you want to work on your own paper, that's fine. Just please be very clear about what questions you're answering. And then again, in both cases, take a picture, send it and then submit it in to me electronically. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. So to kind of help you guys see what or get a feel for what multiplying rational expressions is going to be like, I created these like little steps for you guys to kind of follow. Okay, so I want you to first, okay, for number one here, just to describe using one or two sentences how you would multiply these two fractions together. Okay, you don't actually have to give me the answer, just describe it. One or two sentences how you multiply those two fractions together. Okay, number two then, after you do that, number two, I want you to do it. So give me, what is this here? Okay. And then number three, I want you to factor, okay, the numerator to simplify and the denominator of this answer that you came up with up here. Okay. And you're going to show that factorization here for the numerator, and you'll show the factorization here for the denominator, okay, from that answer. And then finally, number four, you're going to rewrite that answer from number two, right there, right, and that factorization that you came up with, and then cancel the common factors to simplify and get your answer right there. Okay. Once you kind of got a feel for that, then I give you two rational expressions to multiply. And number five, I want you to multiply these two rational expressions together using your experience and your knowledge from multiplying rational numbers, okay, and show your work. Okay, and number six then, I also want you to multiply these two rational expressions together. And again, show your work. Okay, so that's it. Again, please, one other thing I want to mention, please do it on your own. Please don't go asking anybody for help. This exploration here is not going to be like for accuracy. I just want to see how much you can do. Okay, so please, please, please don't look up anything online. Just do it for yourself. Okay, I'm not going to grade you for any correctness. I just want to see what you can do. So please do as much as you can. Okay, try not to leave any blanks. Really just try something here. Anything you write down will help me to understand, what you know and what you don't know. Okay, so again, do it on your own, but submit whatever you can do. Just do as much as you can. All right, thank you guys. Have a good day.